Budget manual is a document, A, which contain different types of budget to be formulated only. B, which contain the details about the standard cost and the procedures to be made. C, set out the budget organization and the procedure for preparing a budget, including fixation of responsibility, formalities, and records required for the purpose of preparation of budget and for exercising budgetary control system. None of the above. C. So this direct question with respect to what? Budget manual. The definition of the budget manual. What purpose the budget manual is there? C is the correct answer. Okay. Next. The budget control organization is usually headed by the top of the executive, who is known as, who is what formulate the budget, who is the top person in the budgetary control system. General manager, budget director, budget controller, accounts of the organization, accountant of the organization, none of the above. Budget director or control. All India level goes to the Nisha only, it seems. In examination for the Nisha, no need to do the question paper. She'll write the question as well as answer. That's the capacity. Next. Durga, don't get. A favorable budget variance is always an indication of efficient performance. Do you agree? Give reason. Favorable budget knowledge only for efficiency in Solra. Do you agree or not? For that, A favorable variance indicates savings on the part of the organization. Hence, it indicates efficient performance of the organization. It's the first one. B, under all situations, a favorable variance of an organization speaks about its efficient performance. C, a favorable variance does not necessarily indicate efficient performance because such a variance might have been arrived at by not carrying out the expenses mentioned in the budget. And D, none of the above. What would be the answer? Shall I read out the answer or comfortable? Shall I read the answer again? Favorable variance, favorable budget. What is favorable budget? You have to give the reason. Favorable budget represent, it indicates savings on the part of the organization. Favorable. Hence, it indicates efficient performance of the organization. This is correct. Second one, under all situations, favorable variance of an organization speak about its efficient performance. This also seems to be correct. Okay. D, C. A favorable variance does not necessarily indicate efficient performance. Because such a variance might have been arrived at by not carrying out the expenses mentioned in the budget. 5 lakhs budget. If I incurred only 4 lakhs, favorable only. But few expenses, few commitment now fulfill, then favorable is not the correct one. Right or not? I have to execute 5 works. For that, they allotted 5 lakhs. Clear? I execute only 3 works. Total expenses 4 lakhs. Amount wise 5 lakhs minus 4 lakhs favorable, but remaining 2 more work may be pending. Right or not? Therefore, it may not always correct. That is what the argument. So, what is the right answer? C is the correct answer. Right? In general, favorable only, but we have to what? Do the controlling mechanism, whether correct or not, whether they executed all the work or not. Fully common sense only. Manageable, Gana? Next. Here, budget report is prepared on the principles of expectation and thus A, only unfavorable variance should be shown. In budget report, only unfavorable variance alone should be shown. B, only favorable variance should be shown. Both favorable and unfavorable variance should be shown. None of the above. You have to express both favorable and unfavorable variance. Purchase budget and material budgets are. Purchases budget and materials budgets are. Option A. Purchase budget is a budget which includes only the details of all materials purchased. Correct, Mari? B. Purchase budget is a wider concept and thus includes not only purchase of material but also other items as well. Purchase na raw material other than raw material also will be there. C. Purchase budget is the different from material budgets. It include purchase of other items only. Purchase budget. C. Purchase budget is not material. Other than material only called purchase budget. That is not correct. Am I right? And D, none of the above. If now the conflict between A and B alone. Only purchasement raw material alone, raw material and other items also. Raw materials and other items also, whatever we are buying, that is also form part of purchase budget. Understand?